back to my channel Abhi's Beauty Hack. It's Abhi here. In today's video I'm going to share with you my favorite picks of vitamin C products which inspired me in the long run. So we all know the benefits of vitamin C. Vitamin C greatly helps in reducing the fine lines, wrinkles, which makes your face look so tired and old. Healthy. So adding to that, vitamin C, it has that resistance to UV exposure, so it helps the horrible sun tanning, redness, or whatever caused by the sun. It not only improves this, it also helps to fade away the acne scars or pimples or whatever problems you have related to your skin. Vitamin C has the best solution for it. So here I have a set of products for which contains vitamin C, which you can also choose it for your day-to-day skincare routine. Let's get in the video. So to begin with, first I will show you the face wash which I like in vitamin C. So this is the Mamaearth Vitamin C Foaming Face Wash for skin illumination. This is 100% natural and this is the foaming face wash. I have given the review of this product already in my channel. I leave the link in the description and I also add the card if you want, you can go check it. So this is the face wash which I like. Next, for the toning part, so this is one of the new products I have tried from Organic Harvest, vitamin C organic face toner with acai berry and daisy flower. So this is one of the good toners and I love it because it contains vitamin C in it. Our next ingredient is Garnier Skin Naturals 30%, that is 30 times vitamin C booster serum for spotless glowing skin. So this serum is really amazing, guys. Like, you have to get your hands on it if you are really a big fan of vitamin C, and if you have the dark spots or any pimple marks, you can really choose for this. This is really helpful for you. And for the face cream, here I have the Momsco Natural Vita Rich Face Cream, or you can use this as a moisturizer as well. It evens out your skin. It contains vitamin C, B3, B5 and E, including hyaluronic acid. So this is my second package of this product. I have already emptied one. So I have this fresh. So this is also a good moisturizer, but oily skin people, this will not like really suit you greatly as you think. Other than that, normal skin, dry skin and combination skin, you can really use it. This will be a good product for you. Next, for the lips, I have this Nivea's Fruity Lip Balm. It contains strawberry, which in turn it is a vitamin C product. This is one of the good products for your lips, for removing that dark pigmentation, and this actually it enhances your lips. It plumps out your lips. So I'll just love this product from Nivea. So for the peel off mask, I would suggest this Saint Botanica's vitamin C brightening peel off mask. This is actually very good peel off mask, like I have tried across. This is the must try peel off mask because it contains real vitamin C products and you can really feel it while using this. So that is why I just love this product, but it is a bit pricey. It is on the pricier side only, but still, once if you try this, you will never say you don't like this because it attracts you that much. So this also attracted me and I love it really well. But it is quite strong. The fragrance, the aroma, it is quite strong, and it really irritates your skin at the beginning, which means that it works, but later it is fine. So even I would feel, even I will get the tears from my eyes itself. So that harsh it is, but still not, it's not harsh. It shows that the product is working. So I'll just make a complete review about this later on. So this is also on my top picks of vitamin C. Next, for the eye mask, I would suggest you this Garnier Skin Naturals Orange Hydra Balm Eye Serum. So this is really good for cooling out your skin and removing dark circles. Not that much, to a little extent, only to a little extent this is helpful, but at least it moisturizes your skin and depuffs your eyes, and in that way I'm loving it. And in any other mask, I have tried the other variants of this also. So instead of that, among that, I would feel this is good, so, and recommendable also. So I would suggest you this. Last but not the least, for the face pack, I would suggest you this aloe vera, Good Vibes aloe vera plus lemon softening gel. This is also natural, and it is a good choice of face mask. It is really cool to use it, and it is natural and contains vitamin C. It boosts your skin's collagen and improves your complexion, reducing dark spots and pimple marks, if any. So these are my collections. These are the, I feel these are the good vitamin C products which have come across. And if I missed out any of your important, or if any of your favorite vitamin C products, you could really comment it down. And if you want a review in any of the products, you can just comment the same for that. I would feel happy to reply you. And we'll end the video by now. We'll all meet you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Abhi. Tada.